All right. Let's help another Reddit user here. We have solid opposite 1614. Let's help with text replacement / dictionary. Hi everyone, I'm hoping someone can help me create a shortcut. Tried for months now to have been issues creating this blue book for legal citations. It's a pain in the butt. There are docs that need abbreviations and case names, jurisdictions, legislative docs, court names, etc. Right. So from what I understand, this person needs to be able to feed this shortcut. I'm assuming paragraphs and entire legal documents, but at the end it says whether you can help. For example, I would have the word and use the shortcut to replace it with its abbreviation. So that part right there, I'm assuming that you don't want to go word by word replacing words. So I'm assuming that you do want a full legal document that you spit into this thing and it regurgitates the adjusted document with abbreviations. So there are two responses here from underscore dash underscore that gave a basic example here, replacing this their current library with a JSON library and then taking it from there. I did not take a look at their shortcut, but go ahead and take a look. The link is provided there, guys. And if you want to, and then this user gave them a link for legal ease citations. I don't know what that does, but I don't think it will be free. But again, I didn't check it out, so if you want to check it out, go ahead. So I asked, so are you just feeding it one word or at a time or paragraphs? And I already have a solution put together here. I'm assuming it is paragraphs or an entire document. So this is what it looks like. All right, so I called it abbreviations, and this is what it looks like. Assuming that you're going to feed it via share sheet or copy and paste from clipboard, or you can do file. So at the top here, you can pretty much select however you want to feed it. You can do choose file. So select from menu, basically. And you can do choose file, copy from clipboard, etc. Image, and then extract text. I mean, the options are limitless there as long as you know how you are going to feed it regularly. But I would probably make it available share sheet, and then the person can just say on their Mac share and then send it to the shortcut. After that, what we're going to do is split text by spaces. And again, this is a rough draft, so it needs to be modified, and I'll show you why in a second, because this is not enough as far as just splitting it by spaces, because you do need to separate by punctuations and other factors that may come into play. And obviously, as you're putting this together and adjusting it, you would need to modify it accordingly. Then we're going to have repeat with each item in split text. So I added a small dictionary here, just of the words that I saw that they provided. I saw family, federation, global organization, academies, financial, finance, etc. So again, need to add your full dictionary. I would recommend copying and pasting the entire library that you already have, or doing a Google search for a list of legal terms and their abbreviations, and then just copy and paste that, convert it into a JSON file very easily, like the other user demonstrated, or use something like ChatGPT to do it for you, and then just, again, copy and paste it into your dictionary, into a text field, convert it into JSON if it's not already in JSON, extract the dictionary, and then what you would do is get all keys from the dictionary. Then we're doing here, repeat with each item and keys, right? So I'm looking for all the keys, and this can probably be reversed, where you would just search, instead of all items and keys, we can just do, hey, let me get the current repeat item and match it with any one of these keys. That way we're not repeating it all those times. I haven't tested it. This way made a little bit more sense to me. I'm not sure if it would work the other way, but basically I'm going through all of those keys, looking to see if they match the repeat item that I'm feeding it from here, from split text, right? After that, if the repeat result does not have any value, meaning the first word or second or third word does not match. So for example, here, my family, right? My is the first word, is not going to match any of these keys, right? Because my is not one of the words that needs to be abbreviated. So what we're going to pass on is the entire word my, so repeat item, which then is passed down to if results right here, and then my will get passed down. The second word is going to be family, which will then be changed per this dictionary to fam, and then it'll be my fam. And this is what the results look like, guys. And the longer this document is, obviously the longer this may take. I am bogging down my phone with a lot of these shortcuts, but as you can see here, my fam is part of the Federation. The Federation is global org that provides funding through various right? So you can see that they are being abbreviated in certain locations, but let's say this Federation one here did not get abbreviated because it's next to a punctuation, right? So Federation period did not get it did not get abbreviated because of that. So obviously you will need to adjust the shortcut to meet those needs accordingly. And obviously there's more punctuation to go over, so I'm not going to go through all of that, but here's a rough draft, and I hope this helps.